Hi there, Dmitry is here from the Global Engagement Office. Today, I'm going to give you a quick crash course on the health insurance topic. As a new student in Canada, it's very important to have a proper, valid medical coverage throughout the entire times. And the reason is simple for that. If something happens and you need to stay in a hospital or undergo some exams or even visit a doctor, it might cost you a lot. But don't worry, we don't want this to happen to you. So that's why we automatically enroll you with Garmi Temporary Health Insurance, which starts on the first day of your program start date. Either it's September 1st, January 1st, or May 1st. If you arrive before that, you might need to consider purchasing an early arrival coverage from Garmi or any other third-party provider, just even for one day, to make sure you stay covered. One very important note, as Garmi fee is a part of your term-based tuition fees, you will only be enrolled when you take classes. If you're not taking classes or if you're on a scheduled break, you must have MSP by that time, or again, you might need to consider purchasing an additional coverage. A lot of students ask us, where do they find the information on the policy? And the answer is simple. Garmi provider will send you a welcome email within the first 10 days of your program start date. In that email, you will find the details on how to access your account, where you can find the details on your policy, as well as download the healthcare access card. We highly recommend you to keep your healthcare access card with you at all times. The next plan that we want to talk today about is MSP, or Medical Services Plan. MSP is a mandatory provincial medical services plan that all residents of BC, including the international students, should be enrolled in. You must apply for MSP immediately upon your arrival in Canada. You also might have a question, why do you need MSP when you have Garmi already? And that's a good question. You see, the answer is very simple. MSP is mandatory for everyone, and it takes 3 months of processing time after you applied. And that's why basically here at KPU, why we enroll you with Garmi at the first place, just to make sure that you stay covered. After you receive your MSP, you don't have to continue paying for your Garmi, as MSP covers all your basic needs. But if you want us to stop charging you for your Garmi, you have to submit an opt-out request confirming on your MSP status. Quick note, MSP costs $75 per month for all international students. The last plan that we want to talk about is KSA Extended Health and Dental Plan. You see, your Garmi and MSP do not cover on everything, and if you want to schedule a dental appointment or an eye exam, you will need to activate and use your KSA Extended Health Plan. This plan is also mandatory for all students, and it's automatically included in your tuition fees, and you charge for that once per year. If you have any additional questions about your KSA Extended Health Plan, please make sure to reach out to the KSA Health Plan office at the email you see on your screens. That's it for today, guys. But if you still have some questions, as it might still be confusing for you, please make sure to reach out to us at intelstudentlife@kpu.ca. Also, make sure to check out an FAQ session down below this video to get even more answers to your questions. We hope this video was helpful, and we hope that you stay healthy. Thank you for watching.